Welcome to Classroom Aquaponics. Today is April the 15th, 2011. This is weekly update number 2 of the Classroom Aquaponics system. I just want to go over the plant growth that we've seen in the last week, as well as how the overall system is functioning. We'll start with the cucumber plant. The cucumber plant, it grew a ½ an inch from last week. It went from 6 inches to 6½ inches. It seems to be growing nicely up the trellis that we've created. Moving on, tomato plant number 2 grew a ½ inch. It went from 3½ inches to 4 inches in height. Tomato plant 1 grew a ½ inch. It went from 5 inches to 5½ inches. Banana pepper plant 2 went from 6 inches to 6½ inch, so we had a ½ inch growth. Banana pepper plant 1 went from 6 inches to 7 inches, so we had a full inch growth on this plant. And it leads us to the strawberry plant. Overall, the strawberry plant does not seem to be growing in height, but if you look, it seems to be spreading out its foliage pretty nicely. And we are getting some new growth. You can see some new shoots starting to form in the center at the base. So it's actually performing pretty nicely. We did however have some setbacks, but I just want to run over those with you guys real quick. Starting with our fish. Basically, I updated a video on Monday. I came in from the weekend to have one fish that had died over the weekend. And then very next day on Tuesday morning when I came in, the second fish died. So we're now down to two fish out of the original 4. But what's really cool about it is our ammonia seems to basically be balancing rather nicely. It basically, at one point last week, our ammonia was 1.0 milligrams per liter, and we're now we're somewhere between the 0 mark to the 0.25 milligrams per liter of ammonia. So that the ammonia levels are dropping. We're not really sure exactly if it was due to the fact that our fish population has been basically cut in half, or if maybe the plants and the bacteria in the grow bed are starting to develop, and so essentially our biofilter is progressing and causing a balance in the system. Overall, the water quality seems to be doing pretty well. We'll probably be adding more water next week, probably at the beginning of the week, because if you notice, the bell siphon is just about to turn off, and from last week, the April the 7th, our water level was here, and now it looks like it's probably dropped about a ½ inch or an inch and a half to 2 inches. So we'll probably add more water in the next, probably 3 or 4 days. So this is like I said, the second update of the Classroom Aquaponics system. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. Email me, let me know. Thanks.